The product design program that we offer is a 4-year level 8 program. You learn really through hands-on experience and working on real-world projects. We focus on human-centered design, looking at ergonomics, digital media, 3D modeling, and working in the Fab Labs to create real-world solutions to problems identified. In the 3rd year, the students have an opportunity to do an industry placement, so to go out and work in industry for a whole year as well as taking some modules here, or they have the option to go to another European country on an Erasmus program to study in a European university. Currently, we're working on a number of different projects, one with the HSE where the students have actually embedded in the hospital here and they're working with staff and patients to identify real-world problems that they're having and to develop solutions with the people there. So they're taking their learnings there, bringing them back to the workshop here, creating different solutions and going and testing those. That's a really interesting kind of placement sort of piece that we're working on at the moment. The product design gives you a really rounded approach to design. It's human-centered, so you can work across a number of different fields. Also gives you skills in practical making, 3D modeling, and across all those different areas.
I chose this program because I get to make stuff. I've always wanted to create stuff, and it's very creative and you can make anything. What I like most about this program is that I can make stuff I can actually use in my daily life.
This program really validated the way that I already saw the world and brought out my sense of creativity even further. I got the guidance, the methodology, and all the steps I needed to not just enhance my skills, but to be able to understand how to go about solving a problem. And I use that in my day-to-day working life to really bridge the gap between human experience and technology.